Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Could one word change the entire story of Swadigam Sensen? In this episode, that answer feels like a shocking yes. Because by the end, the real emotional earthquake is not just Farman's threat, not just the chores in the mansion, and not even the family's crumbling image. It is Dickel seeing the scare of Freden's arm and whispering a word that instantly changed the emotional weight of everything. Abla. That one moment lands that like lightning. Suddenly, what looked like random pain begins to form a terrifying pattern. We already saw Dickel drawing a guilt after being manipulated into believing she caused Dera's death. And we already felt how heavily that burden was breaking her spirit. But now the story pushes her from guilt into revelation. She is no longer just mourning. She is starting to sense that the truth has been hidden from her in pieces. And those pieces are finally beginning to connect. At the same time, Arakan is discovering from Simon and Dara may actually be alive, which means the emotional distance between truth and lie is now collapsing fast. This is why the ending works so well. It does not scream, it stays quietly. Dickel is not reacting with certainty, she is reacting with instinct, memory, and pain, and that makes it more powerful. Because when a heart recognizes something before the mind can explain it, the result is always devastating. What also makes this moment brilliant is that Farman sees it too. He witnesses the connection, and that means the next episode will not simply be about truth coming out. It will be about who gets to weaponize that truth first. Dickel is standing on the edge of a revelation that could either heal her deepest wound or weapons it forever. And if Faride really is tied to the past in the way this episode suggests, then the story is no longer just about love and protection. This is now about identity and memory, and the unbreakable cost of finding out that the person you mourned may never have been truly gone. Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates related to the Turkish series.